Hi guys! It's me again. Ayan. Hala, feeling content creator na ulit tayo, no? Ayan. Anyway, how are you doing? Hope you're doing fine. Good morning from here in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Ang ingay ng microwave. Anyway, punta kami kanin. We went to Crush Iron the other day sa mall. And nakita ko to sa Lindt mismo. A Dubai style chocolate na ayan, Dubai chocolate pero Lindt. So, medyo expensive lang siya. I think the price is $19.95 with the tax, mga 20 something or 21. I pay $21 with the tax. So yun, it's a Dubai chocolate and the brand is Lindt. So, titikman natin. Ito yung magiging natin ngayon. And yun lang. Bubuksan ko lang siya. So, yun. Makapal siya. Ayan, gold. Makapal siya, boy. Tingnan natin kung ano ba siya. Let's try it. Oh, yun siya yung niya. If you watch my video, yung sa Costco naman galing na Dubai chocolate. Yeah, masarap din yun. Pero madami-dami siya. Ito medyo expensive. So let's try it. Lasang pistachio. Saka yung crunchiness. Yung, I forgot the name. Para siyang popcorn something. Ay yung, ayan. Sarap siya. So, yeah. If you're from Canada, or kung sa area nyo, yan, try this one. Yan lang. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and comment down below. Kaya mga comment nyo. Hindi siya ganun katamis. And, yeah. Mahal lang. Ayan. Hindi ko lang alam kung pwede ko to dalhin sa Pilipinas na hindi ba ito matunaw. So, we'll see. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching.